Tesla is in danger. BYD, a Chinese company, is making rapid strides in the electric vehicle market. In just a few years, BYD rose from obscurity to become a giant, threatening Tesla's leadership. How did a Chinese company manage to grow so fast? And what does this mean for the future of electric vehicles in the United States? BYD isn't just producing more cars. They are revolutionizing battery technology. The Blade battery, developed by BYD, is safer, more durable, and more environmentally friendly. This innovation is redefining industry standards and putting Tesla in an awkward position. Can Tesla continue to lead with this new competition? And how will this battle affect the electric vehicle market? BYD's aggressive expansion in the United States is changing the game. With new factories and strategic partnerships, BYD is firmly establishing itself in the American territory. Every move by BYD puts pressure on Tesla to innovate further. Can Tesla keep its throne, or will we see BYD dominate the market? The answer to that question is unfolding now, and the next steps of these giants will determine the future of electric vehicles. Asterisk the Chinese electric revolution. BYD started as a small, unknown company, but today it threatens Tesla's position in the global electric vehicle market. The story of this rise is worthy of a movie script. A company that started out producing batteries for mobile phones is now at the center of the electric vehicle revolution. BYD's every step has been calculated, from the acquisition of strategic companies to heavy investment in research and development. BYD's impact on the market is undeniable. In a few years, they managed not only to compete, but also to surpass several giants in the automobile sector. Its highly automated and efficient factories are able to produce EVs at an impressive speed, reducing costs and increasing production. This rapid pace of growth and innovation puts Tesla in an awkward position, forcing the company to reconsider its strategies. The secret behind BYD's success lies in its ability to adapt quickly to market demands and new technologies. While many companies struggle to keep up with the pace of change, BYD always seems to be one step ahead. With a diverse portfolio of vehicles, from passenger cars to electric buses, they are ready to serve a wide range of consumers. This versatility is one of the key factors driving its rise in the global EV market. Asterisk technology and innovation. The BYD difference. BYD not only stands out for the mass production of electric vehicles, but also for its cutting-edge battery technology. They have developed the revolutionary Blade battery, which not only offers greater durability and safety, but is also more environmentally friendly. This innovation puts BYD in a unique position as it controls one of the most critical parts of an EV, the battery. BYD's Blade battery is a game-changer. Its fire resistance and superior durability represent a significant technological leap, providing a competitive advantage over other brands. While Tesla continues to improve its batteries, BYD has already launched a product that redefines industry standards. This capacity for continuous and disruptive innovation is what keeps BYD at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution. In addition to batteries, BYD invests in other innovative technologies, such as autonomous driving systems and advanced connectivity solutions. These investments show that BYD is committed to not only participating in the EV market, but leading it. Each new technological advancement widens the gap between BYD and its competitors, making it increasingly difficult for companies like Tesla to maintain their leadership position. Asterisk global expansion and penetration in the American market. BYD is not content to dominate the Asian market. Its global expansion is a testament to its ambition and ability to execute. With a well-planned strategy, BYD is quickly establishing its presence in the United States, one of the most competitive markets in the world. The construction of new factories and research and development centers in the U.S. is a clear sign of its long-term intentions. BYD's penetration of the U.S. market is not just a matter of expanding geographically, but of adapting its products and strategies to local needs. They are investing in partnerships with U.S. companies and developing vehicles that meet the expectations of U.S. consumers. This focus on personalization and quality of service is key to gaining the trust of American consumers and building a loyal customer base. BYD's growing presence in the United States also puts pressure on Tesla on its own turf. The competition is not only for market share, but also for innovation and technological leadership. With each new factory and partnership, BYD strengthens its position, becoming a formidable competitor that Tesla can't ignore. The battle for the American EV market has only just begun, and BYD is more than ready to fight. Asterisk sustainability and environmental responsibility. In a world that is increasingly concerned with sustainability, BYD stands out for its commitment to the environment. From vehicle production to waste management to the use of renewable energy, BYD is leading by example. This commitment not only improves BYD's image among conscious consumers, but also puts pressure on Tesla to raise its own environmental standards. BYD's environmental responsibility goes beyond electric vehicle manufacturing. They invest in technologies that reduce the carbon footprint throughout the production chain. This holistic focus on sustainability spans from the extraction of raw materials to the disposal and recycling of batteries, ensuring that every step of the process minimizes environmental impact. BYD is therefore not only selling EVs, but also promoting a greener and more sustainable future. BYD's proactive stance on sustainability serves as a direct challenge for other companies in the industry. Tesla, known for its environmental initiatives, now faces a competitor that matches or even surpasses its efforts. This healthy competition is raising industry standards, benefiting both consumers and the environment. The question now is, who will be able to lead the next phase of the green revolution? Asterisk challenges and opportunities for Tesla. The rise of BYD poses a direct threat to Tesla, but also an opportunity for Elon Musk's company to innovate and adapt. Fierce competition could lead to a new era of technological advancements and improvements in the EV market. Will Tesla be able to maintain its leading position, or will we see a new era dominated by BYD? The answer to that question is being written now, on the roads and on production lines around the world. For Tesla, BYD's arrival in the US market represents a call to action. Elon Musk and his team are now under pressure to accelerate the pace of innovation and further improve their products. This could mean the development of new battery technologies, advances in autonomous driving, or even the introduction of more affordable models for the average consumer. Competition can thus benefit the end consumer, with more options and better quality. However, Tesla is not alone in this race. BYD's rise also encourages other companies to step up their efforts in the EV market. The global auto industry is on the verge of significant transformation, and Tesla must be prepared to tackle multiple challenges at once. The company's ability to adapt and innovate will determine its future in an increasingly competitive and dynamic market. The dispute between Tesla and BYD is far from over. Every day, new developments emerge, and the competition gets fiercer. Will Tesla be able to innovate fast enough to maintain its lead? Or will BYD continue to surprise the market with its revolutionary technologies? With each advancement, the electric vehicle industry transforms. BYD's rise challenges all players to rethink their strategies. How will this impact consumer choices? What will be the next steps for the auto giants to remain relevant and competitive? This battle for dominance of the electric vehicle market has only just begun. The pressure is on, and the stakes are high. Who will emerge victorious in this technological race? And what will be the next big game-changing move? Stay tuned, because the future of electric vehicles promises to be electrifying.